Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is Appcomm TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to Appcomm TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 apps that pay $50 an hour. Now, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, what you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And please hit that like button. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. I really would appreciate you guys if y'all just hit that thumbs up and give me a like. And drop a comment down below. That also helps my video and helps this channel. If I can get you guys just to put a comment down below if you want to know anything about what I'm talking about today. And make sure you put hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. All right, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this. I don't want to take too much of you guys' time. So please watch this all the way through because you don't want to miss none of these apps. All of them are good and all of them are paying money. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the 4 apps that pay $50 an hour. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at the first app. Now I'm gonna go pretty fast through these apps since I got 4 of them. So the first app is Appcomm. Now I'm at their website. So with this app here, what you're going to be doing is earning rewards playing with apps. It's free to sign up and it's available on iOS and Android. And as soon as you install this app, you're going to get 300 points. Now, as far as referral rewards, when you refer somebody and they use your code, you're going to earn 30% of what their referrals earn. So you're going to get 30% of their referrals. So this is a good referral program that they have on here. Now, Karma Plays. So let me go ahead and explain that. Karma Plays let you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps you've installed on Appcomm. So simply keep the apps that you were rewarded for, then play with it each day to earn extra bonuses. And you can click right here to see how that works, but that sounds pretty interesting. And they have achievement badges. So get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges. So install 5 apps, watch 25 videos, check in 5 times. And increase your reward level each time you earn a Karma Play badge. So you can earn up to 12.5% bonus each time you complete an app offer. So you're going to get 12% bonus each time you complete an app offer on Appcomm. That's pretty good. Now, Let me tell you one other thing here before I go to the next one. Now, so when you complete the offers and you earn rewards, you can redeem them for PayPal money or top brand gift cards. So this is a good app to download and make some money from, and you can cash it out through PayPal. So let me go ahead and go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the next app and I'm in the Google Play Store. And the name of this app is Make Money Free Cash App. So this app is similar to the other app, but it pays out PayPal money real fast on this app. So you're going to be earning money by completing simple tasks inside this app. You know, like watching videos, trying free apps, completing surveys, giving opinions, testing services, endorsements, free trials with fast payments from PayPal. So let's just look at some of these screenshots right quick. So as you can see, you're going to be completing tasks, you're going to gain credits. You know, you're going to be watching videos, completing offers, surveys, and doing reviews. And as you can see, you can redeem credits that you're going to be getting when you do these simple tasks for real money. And you can get $5 PayPal payout, $10 PayPal payout, $20 PayPal payout, and even $50 PayPal payout. So this is a very good app for you to make some good PayPal money really fast. All right, now let's just look at the review. First, let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.7. That is real good. It's not that many apps that have 4.7 out of 5 stars. So this is a real pretty good app. Let's just look at some of the reviews. This one right here, Fritz Ahmad says here, I have been using the app for some time now, found the app helpful as I managed to earn money by completing tasks. Among the tasks is playing games. Points you got is equivalent to dollars. Hope you can enjoy the app. So that person is very happy with this app. So that's all I'm going to say about this app. So it's a pretty good app for you to start making some money real fast. And as you can see, you can get up to $50 PayPal money when you redeem your credits. All right, now let me go ahead and go to the next app. Again, the name of this app is Make Money Free Cash App, and this is in the Google Play Store. Let me go ahead and go to the next app. All right, I'm at the next app, and the name of this app is Quiz Rewards Trivia Game Free Gift Cards Voucher. So on this one, you're going to be doing free quiz games that you're going to be playing on your phone in this app, and loyal players who play long enough and earn loyalty points to redeem real awards such as gift cards. So you can redeem and get gift cards with this app right here. So let's just read a little bit more about it. And say how to play the trivia game. So in the trivia game, you're going to answer quiz questions from over 16 different categories such as history, science, sports, movies, TV series, cars, general knowledge, and more. So to win the trivia game, you need to get the most points. Answer 12 trivia questions right as fast as you can to get as many points as possible. When the quiz tournament ends, if your points result was high enough, you are among the winners. All players who participate also earn loyalty points called coins. The longer you play, the more loyalty points you collect, which can redeem for real rewards. Then they got free rewards for loyal players, and you got challenge friends, and you got a new trivia app for 2019. Test your knowledge in over 45,000 questions with the free version for a total trivia cracks. So basically, you're going to be doing a trivia game, and the more answers you can answer in that trivia game, you get more credits, and that can result to more money or points that you can trade in for gift card vouchers. So that's how this works. So it's a pretty fun game. I played it before. It's pretty fun. You can make some money doing this. Once you get the gift cards, you can trade those gift cards in for money. It's a lot of sites that you can use, that you can go to and trade in your gift cards for money. So I'm not going to talk too much else about this app. So if you're ready to go ahead and check this app out, go to Quiz Rewards, and it's in the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the final app. Okay, I'm at the fourth and final app, and the name of this app is iPoll. Make money on surveys. Now I know you guys are kind of down on surveys, but this is a good survey app. So let me just go over it right quick. All right. So it says here, iPoll offers free rewards, gift cards, airline credits, and more, just for sharing your opinion about the products you buy and places you visit. Get rewards for every iPoll mission you complete. These include fun tasks such as visiting a store, taking pictures, and testing products. The more missions you complete, the more rewards you will get. So you're just not going to be online just sitting at home doing surveys. You're going to be actually going to stores and taking pictures. So that's kind of fun doing that. Now, how it works. Number one is we'll first ask you to provide some basic information about yourself to keep us to help us determine which mission you might want the most. So they're just not going to give you any random stuff. They're going to find out a little bit things about you that you like. So once you complete the survey, your iPoll account will be credited. You can then redeem your rewards at www.ipoll.com. And the features include alerts for the moment survey opportunities. So when a survey opportunity pop up, they alert you. Opportunities based on your location, including product reviews, in-store shopping experiences, and testing and brand awareness. Video and photo and audio capabilities for fun and interactive reporting. And you can redeem your balance through the reward catalog. And they have more opportunities to earn rewards by taking online surveys at www.ipoll.com. So they got a couple of ways that you can make some money using their survey program. Now let's look at the rating. Now the 5 stars is a 4.0. Now, as I said before, as long as the app is 4 stars or more, it's a good app, because there's a lot of apps out there that's under 4 stars and that's not good. Now let's look at one of the reviews. Now here's one review. Jonathan, he says here, this is a pretty good app. The payments are relatively higher than that of other survey apps. However, there's not always as many surveys available. You don't get compensated when you log out in the middle of a survey. So he likes the app, but he said you don't get that many surveys available. So that's why I suggest you guys to download all 4 of the apps I've told you about in this video, so you can make as much money as you can. So when one app doesn't have anything available, a task or a survey, you can always have another app you can go to, and they most likely will have a task or survey available for you to do, so you can make some money. All right, so that's it for this app. And if you're ready to go ahead and download this one, go to iPoll, and that's on the Google Play Store. All right, now you know the apps that will pay you $50 an hour. So go ahead and download those apps, and you know what? Start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. Now, I have asked for 100 likes, but all I need is 50 likes, and that's really going to help this video and help out my channel, and it will be more visible on YouTube if I can get as many likes as I can. And if I can get 50, I really appreciate it. And drop a comment down below. That also helps out my video and helps out this channel if I can get some comments down there, you know. So ask me any type of question about this video, and don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. I'm halfway there, I'm almost there, and I promise you we're gonna make it there by the end of this month. So I'm ready to give away this money, guys. And please share this all around the internet, because I want to help all you guys and everybody around the world to make money online on autopilot. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Well, I try to. All right, Grind family, thank you. Thank you for your support. Grind family, thank you. And one more thing. If you check down in the description below, I have a lot of cool stuff you guys can benefit from. Now, if you really want to make money on autopilot, check down there where it says my #1 recommendation to make money on autopilot. Check that out in the description below. And I also have some free giveaways, and also I have my apps down there that I have made in the past. So if you want to download those and check those out, I really appreciate it. All right, that's it, guys. I'm done. I'm finished. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.